Hi, May. Well, I'm glad. So first of all, I'm glad that you simplified a little about your design, but still, your design has a couple of things you need to be aware of. Well, the major thing will be your Unity problem because no matter what design you want to do. So first of all, let's make sure your design is unified. But right now, because you have so many details in your design, like different kind of shapes, so that's not helping to unify, like for unifying your design. For example, like this L shape here, and is really hard. Well, there is another L shape here, but different direction or even different. Is this one look like from z-axis? Well, it's not z-axis. Well, this is seems like z-axis and x-axis. Well, this is more like y-axis and z-axis. So there are so many changes in your design. So that's not helpful for unity of your design. So another thing would be your transparency color as well. Um, like I mentioned, because the more like complicated your design is, the more confusing your design will be. Because well, if you can make sure that you're not confused by like complexity of the transparency color, you of course you can use it. But I just found out some problems. For example, I'm not quite sure why this purple going to this yellow and then you got a orange. That's not true actually. So the purple and yellow, that's the complementary colors, so they definitely can't get a orange. And also um let me see. And like here as well, you also get an orange here. That's definitely magenta and yellow, you can get an orange. But for example, and also here, I feel the perspective of this part has something wrong, because it should be, if that part that's like insert into this geometry, this definitely should go a little bit lighter instead of right now that's really dark. So you need to make some value changes. So the inside part, that's definitely should be go a little bit lighter than the outside part. That's for sure, because so like consider um the like you insert the magenta into the yellow, so that's definitely should like lighter, like the from the value you should make a little bit lighter, because right now this side that's really close and it has some like, well, it's look like there's something wrong with the perspective, but I think your intention was not like this. Yeah, I mean, also the magenta and in cyan, that should be purple, but I don't get it why you get a the the dark blue or something like that, or magenta and um the magenta and green yellowish, that should get like some gray actually, but you're get a dark purple. So just make sure you make it right. And also this geometry, also the sign. I think the perspectives there is a little bit weird. I don't know like whether you insert this part into this geometry. If you do, definitely that should go a little bit lighter. Well, because well, due to the complexity, I think you have a lot of things need to be changed. Let me know if you still have any other questions about your design.